Good evening, everyone. Srejanandam. I am Dr. Gaurav Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SIRT Bhopal. Today, we are here to discuss on the topic projection of line inclined to HP and parallel to BP. This is the topic of engineering graphics subject, which is applicable for all branches of first year. So let us start with the question. Draw the projection of line AB 50 mm long, whose point A is 15 mm away from both the planes. Okay, and is inclined to HP by 30 degree and VP by uh, and it is parallel to VP. So dear students, firstly we should visualize by the help of a pen. Let us consider this is a pen. Okay, and when I'm talking about plane, so consider myself is that the uh, vertical plane. Okay, and consider my this hand touching to my chin. Uh, the horizontal plane. So if I'm talking about my vertical plane and my horizontal plane, then this is a pen and this cap side is point A and this is point B. So firstly, I should look at the point A. This point A is away from both the planes by 15 mm. Is that above HP by 15 mm and in front of VP by 15 mm. So dear students, firstly, whensoever these kind of question come to you, try to mark the position of point. So it is 15 mm away above HP. So I am tapping this point 15 mm above HP. This my hand is HP. And if you see in this view from my vertical plane, this point is 15 mm away. So again, if we go, it is 15 mm away. So I have marked both the views of this point A. Okay. Now again came back to this, you are saying this is as HP and my face is vertical plane, so this is a pen. My point A is away from both the plane by 15 mm. Now what he is saying, he is saying that it is making an angle of HP with by 30 degree and by VP it is parallel. So I am maintaining the parallelism with VP. Is that my face? If you can see in this from my face, I am maintaining the parallelism. Okay. So when I am raising it in this way, so what it is coming? It is coming that angle of 30 degree with HP. So you can see that from my HP, it is making an angle now. It is parallel to it, but now it is making an angle, this one. So you can easily visualize that you will have a inclined line in the front view. Like you are seeing in my face, if I'll get the projection of this pen over my face, you would get an inclined line. So we will have to draw firstly the points on this locus on these points, and now it is a line. Since the length of line will not reduce because it is actually the whole view which you will be seeing in the front view. Okay, now let us come here where I'm marking the angle. As we know that the line is inclined to 30 degree and the length of line is 50 mm, which will not reduce, it will be actual line. Okay, so now I'm marking the front view A dash B dash. Priorly I have already marked A dash, which is 15 mm away, and we also know about A, which is also 15 mm away. So now why I'm drawing this projector from B dash, because in top view, if I'm again keeping the pen in this way, okay, now whensoever the projection of line will come on this ground, the line will be straight, but it's what happened, its size will be reduced. So what amount of size is reduced, we don't know. So we'll apply the concept that uh, in the state of A dash, A will come, in the state of B dash, or always B will come. So here at this point B will come. So we do not we don't have to bother about where what will be the length of top view, because by the method that B dash intersect at B. So B dash and B are on the straight line. So we can easily opt that B dash and B will come on the straight line. So we don't have to go further. The top view will be this, because whensoever the line is inclined to HP in parallel to BP, you will always get a image which is parallel to the reference line and in a straight manner, but the size gets short. You are seeing everything the pen I am showing is in front view, but the same thing which you will see in top view is that the straight line. If the inclined line I will make inclined to the front view, now you will see a line, but technically it is inclined. Okay. So always remember that whensoever the line is parallel to any of the plane, you will always get a parallel line to the reference plane. Okay. Now let us mark A and B, and let us mark the distance. 15 mm, 15 mm, 50, 50 mm, and we know that what is front view and what is top view. So we should look for the pencil work. The answer should be drawn with HP pencil. The projector lines should be drawn with 2H pencil. The dimensions line will be drawn with 2H H pencil, and the XY line will be drawn with the H pencil. So this is all about the question: is that line inclined to HP and parallel to VP? So thank you very much.